So I started back in 2007, college freshman at the time at the University of Florida. Basically dove into the advertising world out of necessity, not out of pure joy and excitement. It was more of I fell upon it and was like, there's money to be made in this space. Don't know how much, but I know that there's something. And so I took it upon myself to go through this journey over the last 13 years, now approaching the 14th year in business, of running ads for people. It wasn't something I thought I was going to do when I was a kid. It was something completely different, but it was something that I found I was really good at because I've always been analytical. I was always great at math. And a lot of advertising is analyzing charts, just like the stock market. You watch things go up and down, you know when you need to scale things, when not to. And so 13 years ago, Facebook was a new platform. It was only open to college kids. Some people in high school got codes to enter in early. I know I was one of them, just because I was 18. But it was one of those things where I just had vision for social media being this wave that people were going to make a lot of money with before influencers, before Facebook had a massive ad platform and all this other stuff. I was like, there has to be something to it. And so I just kept trying to figure this out. And as time went on, it basically went like 6 years before it really started to pop. I stayed with it for that long before it was like, oh, I'm finally having a breakthrough here. Had to do a variety of other things up to that point, but I just kept with it, kept taking on clients for other services, and then slowly introduced them into the world of Facebook and then Instagram when they bought Instagram. And since then, it's just been this massive evolution in business, personally and professionally. I'm managing like 3 million a month now for people in ads, and it just gets bigger and bigger every year.